Welcome. I want to show how to create a screen wipe transition between two videos. So right now I have this video where it's showing the drawer in this tool chest tutorial, and it transitions into the final where it kind of rotates. So right now I just have this video ending and it jumps right into the next one because there's no overlap and there's no transition between these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to back up about a couple of seconds here into the first video, and I'm going to overlap these. Put my timeline indicator right here, hold my shift key down and pull this layer back. So there's a little bit of an overlap there, just a couple of seconds. Then basically all I have to do is go until the second layer is, or the second video is visible. Select that, and I'm going to pull this over to the very edge. You can use your arrow keys if you want to nudge this until you don't see any of the video. And now they're both in the proper position. So I'm going to go back to where this overlap starts, right here. So I have this video here and the second video positioned right here. So I'm going to select both of these layers. Just hold your shift key down. You can select them here or click right on the layer here. And I'm going to use position. So I'll set my first keyframe right here on position where they are right now. Go over my timeline indicator, move that over, hold my shift key down, snap to the end of that overlap, and then I'm going to insert a second keyframe. Notice because I have both of these layers selected that it's adding a keyframe to both of them when I just click on one. You can do that with multiple layers as well. So on the second one, I'm going to move both of these to the other side, basically creating that wipe with the position. And that's it. Once I have this done, I can go back here and hit play. It'll go through that wipe. I did notice that I did notice that there was a one white pixel right here. So I'm going to nudge that to the left. I'm sorry, to the right just a little bit. And then I think, no, there's still a pixel there. Nudge it back one there. There. So that's a nice clean transition. It's a little slow. If you wanted to, you could shorten up the distance between these keyframes and it would transition a little bit faster. If you wanted it to be slower, you could pull these apart. So that's how you create the wipe transition in After Effects. Thank you.